In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart on Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the data table you want to turn into a pie chart. Before creating the chart, make sure your table includes both the text labels and the numeric values. The text labels are the category names, and the numbers are the values that Excel will use to calculate each slice of the pie. This is important because a pie chart needs both pieces of information to display the data correctly and make the chart easy to understand. Now click and drag your mouse over the full data table to highlight it. Be careful to include every relevant cell in the selection, including the row or column that contains the labels. If you leave out the labels, Excel may still create a chart, but it will be much harder to read and interpret. Once your data is selected, move to the top menu bar and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other graphics. In the Charts group, look for the button called Insert Pie or Donut Chart. The icon looks like a small circle divided into slices, which makes it easy to spot. Click that icon to open the chart options. A small drop-down gallery will appear, showing different pie and donut chart styles. Under the 2D pie section, choose the first option. This is the standard pie chart, and it is usually the best choice when you want a simple, clean way to show how each category contributes to the whole. As soon as you click it, Excel will generate the chart automatically. You should see the completed pie chart appear over your spreadsheet grid. This lets you quickly confirm that your data was selected correctly and that the chart was inserted successfully. Next, look at the top of the chart for the default title, which usually says Chart Title. Double-click that placeholder text so you can edit it. Then type a new title that clearly describes what your data represents. A descriptive title helps anyone viewing the chart understand it right away without needing extra explanation. Once the title is updated, your pie chart is ready to use. You now have a clear visual summary of your data that is easy to read and present, that covers everything you need to know.